Alhamdulillah, finally it come. Yes, it came, but it didn't come properly. So let me delete this. Okay. So leadership style, I have to take once again. My mouse is not. Yes, Alhamdulillah. Now you can make the small. I'm making it small. Then in one, you can see very clearly. Very quickly, I'll take it here. So where select, yes, it is select here. So you select and then you can move based. I don't know why. Yes. Then where TMC is here, work-life balance is in between. Then see, you can change the direction also. Okay. So you select here, look at here. I'll take it left. So just click it here. Okay. So it is there, and now I have to take it. If you make it, you have to make a nice picture. But unfortunately, right now my mouse is giving trouble, and you have to take it here. And again, I want to, if you want to do in other words, you click on the right click, then align indicators with top. I want to take it top and take it down a little bit. Okay. And it is also okay. See, still my model is not ready to done. Now what you have to do, you have to connect. Click on the connect. You have to give the arrow. You click on the connect and arrow will be like that, and then it will be yellow or blue. Blue means your model is ready to run. I don't know why suddenly my, yes, this is, let me, okay, no problem. Again, connect. Yes, it's taking time to connect. And this is the moderating variable. When you will run the model, you have to connect it with the dependent variable, because I have given the moderator with this IBNTB. So if you want to change this the direction, so click on, no, now you cannot do this, no problem. So can you check with our original model? Just let me show. It is same. Yes, it is same. Now we will run our reflective measurement model. Everything true means now we are ready to run the model. Okay. So again, I'm showing you in a very good, simple way. Again, class 5 student also can follow me. How to calculate reflective measurement model. See, very clearly I have made the slide for you. What you have to do? First, you have to select, click calculate, then PLS algorithm. Then we have to go for the start calculation. Then outer loadings, I will go. And then I will check the construct reliability and validity overview. Then discriminant validity. In discriminant validity, I will check for an lateral criteria and HTML matrix. Okay, just remember this. So, yes. Where I'll go? Calculate. Then PLS algorithm. Then here you have to remember it will be path not factor. If it is by default, it will be path. But if it is somehow, if it is factor, no, you will click on path. Then it will be standardized. Though it will be by default standardized, but some cases, if it is not, you have to select the standardized. And also by, it will be by default. So you have to make sure that it is also default. Then start calculation. Click on start calculation. I don't know, suddenly maybe my computer became slow. Yes, magic, done. All values came. Now then, can you remember first thing what we have to check? After calculation, check the then outer loading. Start calculation, then after that you have to check outer loading. We'll go. I'll check the outer loading. What is outer loading? You know why we are checking outer loading? Because it is reflective measurement model. If it is formative measurement model, I used to check the outer weight. Yes, and outer loading, basically, can you remember in outer loading, the thumb rule was what? The value should be what? 0.7 and above. All are 0.7 and above. That's why all are green. Only we have the problem in question number 1 of leadership style. It is close to 0.7, but it is actually 0.609. According to literature, you're supposed to delete that item. But right now, I will not delete the item. You know, deleting the item is not a good decision because you are breaking one hand. You have 5 fingers. Simply, you are breaking one finger. So I don't want to break any finger. I have some other option also. Without deleting the item, main objectives, I will check the composite reliability and ABE value. Then I'll go for what? Can you recall? Construct reliability and validity. Construct reliability and validity. Basically, I am getting convex alpha, composite reliability, and ABE value. All are green. That means I am safe. Even for leadership style, convex alpha also 7 and above, composite reliability also 7 and above. So all are 7 and above. ABE value is, it should be greater than 0.5 and above. So that's why it is all are green. So simply I will not deleting. I should not delete any item. In my cases, not necessary to leadership style 1. In question number 1 or item number 1. Because my convex alpha and AV value is green. If again for the leadership style, my AV value is red, in that case, I supposed to delete leadership style 1. Then I supposed to run the model again. And in that case, means you have to check that it is green. I think the next option is I have to check the discriminant validity. And where is the discriminant validity? Go down. Yes, discriminant validity is here. And here I'll check the Fornell and Larker. See, I told corresponding column and corresponding row value should be higher. So 0.818. In this row, it is higher, it is higher. In this column, it is higher, yes, it is higher. So my discriminant validity also established. Come here. In this row, it is higher, yes, it is higher. In this column, it is higher, it is higher. Like that. So my discriminant validity also is okay. HTMT ratio, all are green. Means what? All should be smaller than 0.85. All are 0.85 or 0.91. So that's why, though it is dummy data set, but my reliability and validity is 100% okay. So anything else I have here? No. So that means with that node, I have tested my reliability and validity, especially for the reflective measurement model. I have completed, you can say 33%. Means out of 3 model, 1 model I have already tested. Now, the point is how to copy this. Just click on copy to Excel. And then you have to open the Excel file. I select copy to Excel. And then I'm opening the Excel file, open a new Excel file, just paste it here. Yes, magic. You understood? So like that, all the result you will calculate in Excel file. Then you have to take, or in most of the cases, because all the values will not be reported also. That's why you have to make your own table. How to calculate this diagram? Click on right click, then export as image, export, open a new Word file, open a new Word file and click on paste. Magic. So it is in your Word file you have copied. So I think I showed you how to copy it also. So now I should show how to report that. So I think here nothing to show again. Already I showed and it is recorded also. You can check later on also, no problem.